I have a vision. Leisure wear. We all got it. We all love it. It has definitely made its mark on modern society. But in my eyes, the king or queen of leisure articles of clothing has to be linen pants. We've been wearing them for generations. When I got a pair, I fell in love with them instantly. But there's only one issue. They're not fucking baggy enough. I mean, come on, people. It's time we started making leisure clothes swaggy as fuck. And I'm not talking about no goddamn Lululemon. I'm talking about JNCO pants, linen pants. They become one. So after doing a little research, I took to the nearest sewing machine and started to get my hands dirty. I'd like to clarify that as far as my sewing skills go, I have very little beyond hemming some of my t-shirts here and there, so if at any point you see me majorly fucking up, that's probably why. Anyways, first step, find 2 duplicate pairs of pants. Done. Next, you're gonna find a little tutorial hosted by a kid that looks like this. And this kid really does the best at explaining how to do it, so I'm going to link his video in or around the premises of this video. And I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch the process. Hey, it's the first fuck up. Let's go. And this would be the second fuck up, which I fixed by just cutting a little wedge off the corner of the pants here. And there we have it, folks. They're all complete. For reference, this is what my original pair looked like. And these are the finished product. But guys, all things considered, this objectively wasn't that hard. Legitimately, anyone could do this, and they should. We gotta pick up some of these old skills more of us used to have. I mean, it's almost a lost art. We're starting to lose our technical expertise to the machine. Instead of throwing things away, let's patch things up. Even if you own something that you love so much but doesn't quite fit the way you want it to, and you don't want to go about doing this, that's okay. Take it to a tailor. They're still around, and they work for very reasonable prices. All I'm saying is it's time we take the power back and start making our own pairs of dag-nabbin' linen pants, or whatever the fuck it is that you want to wear on your body, because you deserve to. And the answer isn't Paxson. It's you.